Just wanted to provide a short video on navigating the Kumu environment, just so that you're not overwhelmed by this marvelous piece of software that I looked for 14 years, and then a couple of very insightful people finally developed it, and I have been delighted ever since. In all of the content for the Systems Thinking Certification Program is delivered via this Kumu environment. What you're looking at right now is the top level of the map. What's on the left side is called the profile page, and this is the profile for the certification program map itself. And on the right side is the map, and all of the different colored segments of this metro map are the various weeks of this program. To navigate around in here, if you click any particular node, it will show you the profile for that node on the left-hand side. Now, I realize that you can't read the labels on the nodes at the moment, and I'll get to that. So in navigating around here, you can use the plus sign to move in, or the minus sign to move out, and the pointed equal sign zooms it to fit. If you point near any area and double-click, it will open that. It will zoom in on that particular area, and double clicking will zoom out. And you can use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out, and you can hold down in the background and pan around as you choose to. And if you select a particular element and it shows you that the profile for that element in the left-hand panel, to get back to the main profile for the map itself, just click anywhere in the white space on the canvas in the background. Now, the way that you'll use this on an ongoing basis sort of gets you beyond all of the apparent complicated nature of the map itself, and that during the week, whichever week that you're reviewing the information for, if you point to here and click on that particular week, you notice that segment of the map is highlighted, and if you come down here to focus and click on selected, everything else goes away, and all you have is the content for that particular week to work through, so that you can start at the beginning and walk through each element of the content for that week. And when you finally reach the end, there's a summary and an assignment, which involves posting some stuff to a discussion on the certification program subgroup in LinkedIn. Now, once you've done this, and if you want to get back, well, if you've simply done a focus to get to just the content for that week, if I click in the background, it takes me back to this map. If I clicked the second one, it would go ahead and add the week 2 content, but it also shows that information that's connected directly to the week 2 content. So if I said focus selected just 0, it would show me just that week 2 content in conjunction with the week 1 content. Now, I could do this, if I'm in week 6 and I'm doing the network magic stuff, we can do it the same way, so that the only thing I'm now seeing is the week 2 stuff. Why is week 1 there? Oh, I know. Once I've done that, once I've gone to a particular week, like week 6, and done selected, so that all I see is this, to get back to looking at all of the content itself, just click and hold in the background, and it will bring it all back into view. Or you could go to focus and select clear. And that's about all of the navigation aspects that you need to use to navigate around in this environment. As soon as this is ready, this little X here will be replaced by a link to the discussion thread in the subgroup, where as you're going through the week 1 content, once you select this content and you're going through looking at the various pieces, if you have a question or a comment about this content, you'll simply click here. It will take you to the discussion thread, and you can post the question or the comment, and myself or someone else, hopefully a number of people in the group, will comment about your question or comment, and that way we get to have a collection of perspectives about the individual thoughts regarding the pieces as we walk through them. And when you finally get to the end of the sequence for that week, there'll be an assignment to post certain perspectives of yours about the content for this week into that discussion thread. And when we have the review sessions on Tuesday and Thursday for the content, we will review the content and have an extensive Q&A to surface and resolve, hopefully, any questions you have about some aspect of the program for that particular week. So hope that helps you become somewhat familiar with this environment. It may seem a bit overwhelming initially, though, after you just wander around in there for 10 or 15 minutes, and you'll get the hang of it. So take care and look forward to our engagements during the certification program itself. Bye.